What's up, viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to my channel. Right now, this video, as the title suggests, why is it hard for new YouTubers, which you're going to find out just in a bit. So all you have to do is to click subscribe to this channel, right? Like this video, right? So now let's go straight into it. I know many of you want to watch this video because you perhaps want to grow your YouTube channel, you want to get more subscribers, you want to get more views, you want to get more engagement on your videos, right? Now this video is gonna answer all of your questions, right? And how to get those subscribers, how to get those views, how to get those engagement up. Right, number one thing that I want to tell you about in this video is to find a topic. Yeah, a topic. I mean, at first, as a new YouTuber, it's very hard to really find a topic. Yes, but it can be easy if you put out the effort, right? Writing some things about yourself, about your personality and things that you love, and just share to people, right? People love you for who you are. I mean, sharing something that you love doing, right? I mean, many of you out there might want to start some cooking channel, you want to start some funny videos, you want to start some makeup tutorials, or speak some facts, right? I mean, just doing what you love, writing some things about yourself, so when people see that, they can follow you for who you are, right? I subscribe to your channel. Now, the number two things that I want to talk about is basically based up from the previous one. I mean, promoting your channel. Yes, promoting your channel. It's at first, many of you might feel a bit shy to really telling your friends about your YouTube channel. I mean, you might feel that, I mean, your friend might say, YouTube channel, what is he doing, right? No, but don't be afraid. Just tell your friends, probably your family members, share to them first, right? Get them to engage in your channel, get them to share it, and get them to support you in all way that it's possible, right? That's the only way that you can grow your YouTube channel, right? To get them to support you. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about is your equipment. Yes, things that you use to record your video, things that you use to edit your videos. I mean, at first you're saying, I don't have all that money to buy all those expensive cameras, right? And all those expensive laptop to do all those edits. But you can do it on your phone. Basically, if you have simply your iPhone, you can use to record your videos. I mean, I'm recording this video right now on my iPhone, right? Now, you can use apps such as iMovie and those to edit your videos. I mean, so you can not complain much on buying expensive stuff to start a YouTube channel. I mean, start it from channel with the simple equipment that you have and work your way up till you can afford to buy all those expensive equipment to grow your channel. That means by the time come for you to afford those equipment, you already grown past 1,000 subscribers. Next thing is that you might feel embarrassed. Why do you feel embarrassed? I mean, starting out on YouTube is a bit challenging. I mean, at first when you have like less than 1,000 subscribers, so you know that you're not gonna get enough views that will boost up your channel. I mean, you might feel embarrassed by looking at your friends or some other YouTubers and saying, wow, they're getting a lot of views, and you might feel embarrassed because you might not getting that amount of views. Probably you might not getting, say, 100 views in 1 week, right? And you might feel embarrassed that, no, I can't do this. You might feel that you want to give up, but no. As I said, back to number one, once you're putting out great content, people will subscribe to you. Next thing is getting 8 from viewers. 8, right? You know, people might watch a video and don't like it, or don't like you for some reason, and might give the thumbs down, or they might produce some negative comments about your video. I mean, you can't get away from those 8s because, I mean, looking at some top YouTubers, they get a lot of 8 from viewers, right? So you can't really avoid that. So all you have to do is to do what's in your best interest and what you love, right? So that's how you can maximize and grow your channel. Next thing that I want to talk about is providing values. Yes, providing value to people's life is very important in getting people to subscribe to your channel. I mean, people want to subscribe you for something, right? People want to subscribe to your channel for something, for some reason. People just have to have a reason to subscribe to your channel. I mean, if you watch a video and they provide some values and some morals, people will subscribe to your channel. I mean, it's not hard, right? And you will get those engagements. Yes, so that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, right? And so you can get more videos, so you can see more videos when I post them, so you don't miss out on all those important stuff. So yes, just like, comment, share. Alright, so peace out. I'll see you in the next video.